Now, hotels are feeling the heat as customers can now also choose alternative accommodation such as Airbnb. Sometimes that's because of price, other times it's people wanting a place to stay that feels a little bit more homely. So a new development has opened in Southampton which tries to offer the best of both. It's called a hometel. And our business correspondent Alistair Fee checked in to check it out.
What do you do if you want some of the comforts you expect at home?
A lunch, sir?
Thank you, but also the service you get when staying away. The latest accommodation in Southampton claims to do both.
The product may be regarded as an apartment hotel within the marketplace because the rooms have kitchens, but we've gone a lot further than our competitors to provide buildings which have way more character, way more personality. And I think in this day and age people want that freedom and flexibility to maintain diets and maintain routines which are often very hard to do if you're regularly staying away from home.
Bridging the gap between Airbnb and a hotel, this has been dubbed the world's first hometel.
You know, if you're staying in your room for more than a couple of days, you don't feel like you're just sat on the end of your bed watching the television. You can actually get up, make yourself a coffee in a proper kitchen.
You just get bored of hotel living, and this is a good change from what I'm used to. And yeah, so it's a good alternative to Airbnb.
It's cost £11 million. Each room comes with self-catering facilities and there's a gym and laundry. They have their eye on business travel and the city's cruise market. In the communal workspace, I caught up with Southampton lifestyle blogger Alice.
I like the fact that if I wanted to, I could stay here, grab a microwave meal and sit in my room and get some work done without the need of feeling like I have to come down to the restaurant. But there's the option there if needed to.
Across the tourist sector, it's been a slow start to the year with visitor numbers down. By taking the best bits of home and a hotel, this venture is looking to carve its own path by offering something for everyone. Alistair Fee, BBC South Today.